The Daily.
Only on Shaw.
Hi everyone. See these birdhouses? Every spring, thousands of birds come to Vancouver Island. Many of them come to Somenos Marsh and move into these birdhouses. They breed here and lay their eggs and hatch their chicks. They love these birdhouses. Most of them were built by Mr. Marvin. Maybe we should call this the Marvin Bird Hotel. Want to know what this bird is called? Let's play Somenos Marsh charades. I give you the clues, and you guess the name of the bird. That's right, 3 words. First word. What's the color of my shirt? Now the third word isn't so easy, so watch me and listen. Did you get it? Want me to do it again? Phone us with your answer or send us an email. The number and email address are on the bottom of the screen. We'll put the correct answers in the draw for Somenos Marsh Conservation Area t-shirt. Good luck! Oh, when fall comes, most of these birds leave Somenos Marsh and fly south to California and Mexico, and even further. They'll leave it as they found it, and so will we. I'm Anna Sophia, reporting from Somenos Marsh Conservation Area.
The Daily.
Only on Shaw.